Hello all, Marieke here for Studio Light. Today I hope to inspire you with a shaker card using the Sweet Stories summer products. For my project today I used Paperpad 70, mask 202, stamp 259 and 441 and stamp and cutting die 57. Cutting die 521 with the matching bliss 13, shake 1, 3 and 8. First off, I started on making the base of the card. Off camera I prepared everything for my card. I cut a top fold white base card and a white piece of cardstock 4¼ inch by 5½ inch. I ink blended colors Punch Sugar and Kitsch Flamingo Distress ink onto my panel. I splattered some water and dabbed it off with a paper towel. For the next part, I'm going to ink blend the fish onto my inked panel. I mask off my stencil until I'm able to only ink blend the fish. Using the same colors of pink distress inks, I add the fish onto my card until I'm happy with it. To add in some extra color, I mix up some picked raspberry with water and splatter it onto my panel. There is two ways you can create a border for around the blister. The first option is to adhere both of the dies on your piece of cardstock and die cut them together. I prefer to die cut the largest die out of cutting die 521. And then die cut the smaller die out of the die cut. This way I feel I have more control using the dies than the option 1. Either way will work, just choose the option you like best. My pro tip for today is to use a ruler or a T-ruler to align your dies so they will be straight onto your project. In my case I also used the largest sentiment to balance out the height of the die cut. Using the inner die out of cutting die 521, I cut the part out of my inked panel. Afterwards, I stamped the sentiment onto it using a stamping tool. I temporarily added the inked panel onto the base card, glued the die cut onto the card and removed the panel again. I glued the blister on the base and put it aside so it could dry. I added some super sticky tape on the base card. I filled up the shaker and closed it by adding the panel onto the base card. Now it's time to finish off the card. I added all the elements on the card using glue, tape or foam tape. If you would like to see more of my card making videos for Studio Light, leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!